The Alexander Technique is a three-step strategy to transform and improve your health and well-being, your intrinsic capacity for growth and repair. In today's video, I want to continue with the exploration of our work, and I want to talk about the first step of a well-structured therapeutic process. Welcome to our videos. I am Ettore Arcais, the director of the Centre Technique Alexander and a HeartMath coach and trainer. Our holistic approach guides you to a new inner state of being so that your body not only comes into alignment but stays in alignment. In our previous video, we have explored the basics of our work and the 4 top reasons to learn the Alexander Technique. If you haven't seen it yet, I suggest you start from there. There will be a link to it in this video. Let's take a moment together and let's imagine how wonderful it would be if, regardless of the situation, you could always feel and experience time to think and space to be at ease with your body. Imagine the growth and repair that comes from this state of being and level of awareness. Without expanding your awareness, you won't understand why and what you need to change. And the Alexander Technique works with you in this creative space to help you generate and sustain that physical, mental, and emotional sense of ease. As a therapist, what I do to begin with is to help you understand how your automatic unconscious reactions are conditioning the way you breathe, you move, you play the violin, you use your voice, and so on. And in my therapeutic work, I use my hands, and I guide my clients through simple movements to convey a new experience that involves at the very same time their perceptions and their mental, physical, and emotional awareness. If you want to overcome a condition or empower your personal growth and development, you need to start paying attention to how you move, to the thoughts you are thinking, and to the emotions you are habitually feeling and experiencing. In the first step of our therapeutic process, you gain self-awareness by letting go. You stop and you become an observer, a detached observer of your habits. You allow yourself not to be doing, thinking, judging, comparing, or feeling in automatic ways. For a moment, you are choosing to release your connection with all the things you need to do, places you need to be, and with all the expectations you habitually have. You are transforming your perception of space and time, because at this very moment, you are giving yourself time to think in a new way. I teach my clients and students to first allow for a quiet moment in which to reconnect with themselves and the surroundings, a moment to become available to a new experience and to a new postural organization. And when I talk about posture in my teaching, I'm always referring to physical, mental, and emotional systems working as one in a coherent state of being. In my experience, the first step is the most important one. It makes all the difference between creating something genuinely new or merely producing a new version of something old. And as you expand your self-awareness, the following step is about learning to prevent those habits that are limiting you. And in a third and final step, you learn to use your inner resources to create and sustain a new version of yourself. These 3 practical steps integrate into one another. They are not separate, they are not linear, nor in the learning process, nor in the practical application of our technique. One after the other, and all 3 at the same time. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We appreciate, as always, your interest and your comments. Stay tuned for the new clip, where I will be talking about step 2 and 3 in more depth. And please feel free to subscribe for future updates. In the meantime, you can always visit us at buildingresilience.ch. Goodbye for now.